back to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Lizbeth and I share my personal style, my love for easy beauty, and today I'm so excited. I have a clean beauty haul. I purchased all these products at Sephora, and I will say kind of stepping into the clean beauty realm has been hard for me. It's been something that I've been apprehensive about just because it is so expensive. I have been wanting to try more of like the luxe beauty products. Those are the ones I've had my eye on for months. There's some new products that kind of caught my interest, and I finally bit the bullet. And the only way I was able to bite the bullet is because I am partnering up with Klarna. Klarna is actually a financial company that offers payment methods for you to purchase those big ticket items you've been dreaming about, wanting, wishing for, or even items that you actually need to get maybe a birthday gift for your best friend, and maybe you don't want to spend a full $100 up front. Klarna is going to be a great option because they do this by allowing you to purchase things in 4 interest-free installments. So you can purchase those big ticket items, or like I said, a birthday gift in 4 chunks. Klarna pays the retailer that you're shopping from the full amount that's owed. And then Klarna charges you for easy payment. Klarna charges you 25% of the full price once the product ships, and then every 2 weeks you pay the next 25%. Klarna will notify you a day or two before your payment is due, so you can make sure you have those funds available when you need to make your payment. And I quickly want to show you guys how to use the Klarna app. So here's the app, and the only way to log in is through Face ID, Touch ID, or Klarna will generate a PIN for you to log in. So I love that there's that safety aspect to this. As you can see, there are some favorites at the top. You can personalize those for your favorite stores, whether it's Nasty Gal, ASOS, whatever you want. Even Amazon, you guys, you can shop more necessities through Klarna. It doesn't always have to be these high ticket wishful items. You can create these collections through the Klarna app, which is really cool. So it reminds me of Pinterest. So while you're shopping, you can heart it and it'll save into a specific category. And there is a section called Ghost Card, and those are the single-use cards that Klarna generates for you to make your purchases. You can see the cards that are inactive because they're only one-time use. So you can generate a card and you get 24 hours to use it. If you don't use it in 24 hours, it disappears and kind of like dissolves. So you don't have access to that anymore. It completely washes, erases, but these are the cards, as you can see, that are inactive that I have used. So the app is really easy to use, very user-friendly. So when you're ready to shop, as you can see, you're gonna shop Sephora. So you're just going to type it in the box and it'll populate the store, which is really cool. When you're ready to pay, a little button on the bottom will pop up. It says pay with Klarna. So you will tap that, and that's where Klarna generates a ghost card for you. You input your credit card and you confirm that that's a card you want, and those are the installments that you're going to be paying. Then a card will populate. That's the ghost card, and it'll automatically save. And so when you're ready to check out and you are going to the card details of the retailer, and Klarna will pop up and paste the ghost card. So it's super easy to use. You don't have to memorize any numbers, and then you submit your order, and that's it. So again, you're not charged until your item ships. So that first 25% is charged to your card when your item ships. And then every 2 weeks, you pay the rest of your payments off. That is Klarna. That is the Klarna app. Thank you so much again, Klarna, for partnering up with me. I'm really excited that I get the chance to test out some clean beauty because I've been eyeing it. All right, so let's get into this haul. I just want you guys to know all the makeup I bought is to create a full face, something that I would wear every day, kind of that really pretty no makeup look, a work makeup look, just my everyday essentials that I like when I'm doing, you know, a really nice face, everyday makeup. So let's start with primer. I went ahead and picked up the Imlvh True Skin Radiant Primer Serum. I actually have tried this. I got a sample of this and I liked it. So I went ahead and purchased this one. I dug it and I'm really excited to see how it works for a long time wear. So if you haven't heard of this, this is actually a silicone-free primer, and it firms, moisturizes, and soothes the skin while protecting it from harmful environmental factors that cause aging. And it diminishes the look of pores and fine lines while improving skin texture And I've used this and it was a really nice primer. It's almost a matte, but a really soft wearable matte. I do not like matte primers. I don't like matte foundations, but this wears really nicely. Your skin feels super silky and soft. So I picked it up. I really wanted to have it and use it. So I went with the primer. And what's kind of annoying, you guys, is the cost for this primer, which is 3 fluid ounces, is $52. That is so insane. That's expensive. So it did make my skin feel nice. I'm very much looking forward to trying this out on a regular basis. I had no idea Bite is considered clean beauty. I didn't think it was, but I did get a DM from somebody because I shared a little flat lay of all of the beauty products, and they said that Bite reformulated all of their products or some of them. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, I heard that. So I thought that was really interesting. And when I was shopping on Sephora, this was a new product, so I decided to try it. So this is a clean, long-wearing foundation with gentle micellar technology that mimics skin texture for a natural, flawless finish. It has maki berry, an antioxidant rich that helps nurture your complexion, and micellar technology that gently mimics skin texture for a smooth, non-cakey look. And I love very natural, very glowy, very fresh, very skin-like foundation. So I'm really excited to try this out. One thing about clean products is I have noticed foundations don't necessarily cover up my dark spots and acne scarring. So I'm really curious to see if this is buildable. I really like that it says it's supposed to be long wearing because I don't like to reapply my makeup. So I'm looking forward to trying this, and I really like foundations that are skin-light, comfortable, wearable. So this caught my interest, especially because I really like how my skin feels with micellar water. And the cost for this Bite foundation is actually $39.50. Kind of pricey, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Sounds like a good idea. And then next thing I got was RMS's Tinted Unpowder. It was between this one or Ilia's powder, like their translucent powder. That's what I was getting. I'm a big fan of Laura Mercier's translucent powder, and I like to set my face in, you know, kind of like the T-zone areas. I do love a glowy look, so when that wears off, I do not mind my skin looking glowy. And I ended up going with this RMS one. The only thing that's annoying about these powders, or even I heard about the Ilia one, is that the amount you get is so tiny. So this one is their Unpowder. It is a setting powder that's lightly tinted. It's a lightly tinted version of their classic Unpowder, and it's formulated with the highest silica and mineral pigments to give the perfect amount of sheer coverage. It minimizes the appearance of pores and softens skin and absorbs excess oil. And this is vegan, hyperallergenic, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. And the cost of this one was $34, so I definitely think that's a lot for this amount. I'm looking forward to trying it. And it also has a little puff in there, which is cute. Like mattify your T-zone. But I guess I do like the size of it because it doesn't take up too much space, and you can easily travel with it and put it in your bag, you know? So looking forward to trying this one out. All right, now let's talk about Ilia, because I actually really wanted to try their foundation, but it was sold out and their foundation is raved about. So kind of bummed I didn't get to try that, but I picked up other products from them. And first up is their Limitless Mascara in color After Midnight. And this is actually supposed to be buildable, flake-free, and it's supposed to curl, lengthen, and add the right amount of volume for fuller, healthy-looking lashes. That is so important to me because I love a volumizing, lifting, and curling mascara. I like all three. So this is saying it's going to do that. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. I'll keep you guys posted. I love mascara. It is my must-have. If I was stuck on an island, a desert island, need a mascara. And the cost for this Ilia mascara is actually $28, which is comparable to most cosmetic brands like that you purchase at a department store like Lancome. So kind of expensive. Also, if you want to see a tutorial, me trying all of these beauty products, I will link it below because at this point I will have a fun full face of clean beauty, and that will be linked below. So check it out if you're curious to see how this makeup wears. And the other product I got was their True Skin Serum Concealer. I wanted their True Skin Serum Foundation, but I went ahead and picked up the concealer. I did hear that it tends to run a bit dark, so whatever your recommended shade, because I purchased everything online, you want to go up a shade. In case you want to know, that little hot tip for you guys, because I was watching some YouTube videos on clean beauty and one gal said that, and I was like, awesome, thanks for the tip. So this concealer is supposed to be lightweight, medium buildable coverage. What's really cool about this concealer is it's supposed to protect your skin from free radicals and environmental damage while helping to firm its look, soothe, and nourish the skin's surface, and it reduces the appearance of dark circles and discoloration, leaving your skin brightened and flawless. It has vitamin C in it, which is really cool and interesting. I haven't found a vitamin C that I love that truly works for me because I have really sensitive skin. So be sure to check out that video to see my thoughts on this. Concealer is 30 bucks as well. I feel like $30 is kind of the price point we're going with. So the mascara, foundation, and powder have all been around 30 bucks. So kind of pricey, you guys. And then the last Ilia product I got is their Color Haze Multi Matte Pigment. And I heard really good things about this. I love a multi-use product. So I picked this out for my cheeks and my lip. I love a cream blush. It's definitely one of my other favorite must-have products. Mascara, I forgot to say concealer, and a blush because you can use this on your cheeks and your lips. I got the color Waking Up. And this is a cream formula for cheeks and lips that blends out to a wash of color. It's buildable and has a nice bold payoff. It has jojoba and coconut oil, so it'll condition and soften the skin. It's lightweight and easy to blend out for a soft wash of color, and you can, like I said, build it up. And it has a unique metal applicator for precise application. This is supposed to dry down to a matte finish. So I'm very curious to see how my skin takes it though, because certain products that have coconut oil kind of clogs some of my pores. It's kind of weird, in like random places. And I know some of my girls on Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to follow me. They do tell me that coconut really messes with their skin. They have acne prone skin. So heads up on that. So I'll let you guys know my thoughts on that. And this one also costs 32 bucks. And the cost for this one is 32 bucks. And then these two products I'm actually really excited about. It's called Rowan, and it's actually created by a makeup artist. Her name's Nikki DeRoast. I have been following Nikki since she had like 10,000 Instagram followers. And I remember I just loved her story. She was always sharing tips. It was really fun and personal. So it's really cool to see that she created her own luxe beauty product. And I am a sucker for anything glowy, glittery. I love glowy, glittery makeup looks. I love a glam look. So I really wanted to try this quad out. I really liked these colors. They're my tones for sure. I'm more of a warm tone girl. And I just thought these colors were really wearable, and I love a little glitter in my eye. And especially for an everyday look, I think it adds a nice little pop. I love a palette. So this palette actually is $42, but you can actually purchase some of these colors individually for $29. But to me, honestly, I recommend buying palettes because you get more bang for your buck. But I just love these colors. I love an illuminated eye. Anything that makes your eye like glowy and glittery, I just think is so pretty. So I had to try these out. I love that it's a clean beauty product. I'm like so proud of her. I don't even know her, but I just was really pumped when I saw Sephora had Rowan. So I picked up the 75, I think it's called 75 Degrees palette. And I love that you can use it with your fingers or you can use it with a brush. There is a special brush that she does sell, but I love using my fingers when I'm doing an everyday makeup look. So very excited to play with this and try it out. And then I also got her brow pencil, and it's called the Vow Brow Pencil. Super slim, so you can fill and define your brows with ease for major vow factor. And I liked that. So I picked out the color. What color did I get? I got medium. I tend to go lighter with my brow pencils. I got that tip from a Laura Mercier makeup artist. He filled my brows in with a blonde, like an ash blonde brow pencil, and it really fills in the brows without giving you like these really stark lines, and I really like that. So I always go lighter, and this one's like this is a really fine brow product, so I like that as well. I'm looking forward to trying that out, and I really love, Nikki does these really cool like textured brows and just like really effortless brows. So it's really cool she created these products. There's only 3 colors though, and the cost for a brow pencil is $26. And I picked up a bronzer. This is the Lawless Summer Skin Velvet Matte Bronzer, and it says it's talc free. 2 thumbs up for that. It's a velvety powder bronzer with a rich, smooth finish and skin-loving ingredients. So it's a silky soft matte formula that will blend seamlessly into your skin, imparting a natural, healthy, sun-kissed warmth and anything, I don't know, I'm already olive skin. I already have tan skin, an olive complexion, but I love a glowy, bronzy look. So I went ahead and picked this one up. There are 2 colors, Golden Hour and Blazed, and the color I got was Blazed, and I'm looking forward to trying this one. And then, last but not least, my lippies. I got a lipstick and lip oil. These are by Kosas. So for the lipstick, out their weightless lip color in rose water. Caught my interest about this lipstick. It's supposed to melt comfortably into the lips and stay throughout the day to hydrate, heal, and nurture your lips. When do you get that combination in a lipstick? I don't know. I don't really hear lipsticks to be nurturing and nourishing. So yeah, I'm really excited. I picked out this color Rose Water, which is really pretty. It's definitely cooler than what I'm used to. I'm more of a warm tone person, but it actually looks like my lip color, my natural lip color. So definitely looking forward to trying this out. And this cost $28. And then the last lippy I got is the Kosas Wet Lip Oil Gloss, and I got the color Dip. This is actually a new product by them. How cute is the packaging? So this is a hybrid lip treatment and gloss packed with peptides that plump and hydrate, all the while providing a juicy slick of color. It is a treatment, it's a lip gloss. It has hyaluronic acid, evening primrose, and other botanicals to plump and protect your lips. It's not supposed to be sticky, and it'll give you a smooth, comfortable feel, like a vinyl lip look. And I'm really excited to try this out because it doesn't look super, super oily. I don't like oily lip glosses. I like a thick, I'm old school, I grew up in the 90s. I love a sticky lip gloss. I don't love a sticky lip gloss, but I like the look of a sticky lip gloss without the stick. So I'm looking forward to trying this lip oil, give me like that plump, juicy lip. And hyaluronic acid and peptides, I'm here for that. Sounds very hydrating. So I'm very much looking forward to trying this out. And it comes in 5 shades and it costs $27. So it seems like the price range for these Luxe clean beauty products is around $25 to $30, which is kind of a lot, but like I said, these are products that would be an everyday face for me. So I'm definitely getting bang for my buck. I wanted to buy products that I would wear every single day. So I'm really looking forward to trying these out. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget, you guys, if you want to bite the bullet and try some of these clean products, but you've been apprehensive or afraid, be sure to check out Klarna. I know it was a great option for me to purchase and try all of these out. Like I said, I got a full face of makeup and I didn't have to spend that full price. I will be paying it off, but it's kind of in increments where I can, you know, not be broke the whole week and not miss out on grocery shopping or not put gas in my car, because those are necessities, and a full face makeup isn't a necessity. But like I said, I've been wanting to try it and a little bit easier on the pocket. So hope you guys like this video, and be sure to, again, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any other comments or if you have any other beauty suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Hauls or other clean beauty products that you want me to try out, let me know. And yeah, I will let you go and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. I hope you liked this video. I'm so excited about these clean beauty products and I've been using them and loving them. So if you want to see a tutorial on how I use them, go check out my IGTV video. If you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to see some fashion stuff, check out these over here.